Hello, Longisa. I'm in San Francisco, borderline of Daly City, HMart. Let's go inside and check it out. Let's go. Look, they got rice out here. So let's go inside. Ooh, they have food over there. Should I get one? Looks spicy. Okay, I want more spicy. Watermelon. $8.99. Oh, $24 for a buck. Yes, can you take a cut, please? Look, I got this in my backyard. Well, not my backyard, but my friend's backyard. How much a coconut drink? $19.99 for one case. Oh, it's on sale, $19.99. I want one case. Oh, look at this. Oh, this noodle, yummy, yummy. But if you go over here, the cement, this. Oh, Korean something great. XX muscat, shy muscat, $14.99, but it's on sale. That's why. Is it good? Is it good? For $14.99. Should we try this? Actually, you know what? I want everything. Of course, I want everything. No problem. Ooh, Hello Kitty. Oh, the book. Oh, look. This one more expensive. This one is $26, and it look like this. So I don't know the difference between the other one. Oh, it's the same thing. Why one is 26? Oh, this one bigger size. The other one smaller size. I think. Look at the grapes. I don't know what is this. Oh, what is that? Oh, they sold out the yam. Man, I come too late. Oh, pineapple. And then, how cute is this? It's so organized, so nicely set it up. This is a pomelo. See, I told you guys, expensive, 99 cents a pound, and that's heavy and sour, but healthy sour. Look at this juice. Whoa. Mushrooms. Okay, so I'm gonna jump from iron to iron. Okay? Ooh, look at this giant food. Dragon, a pound. Okay. Dragon fresh white apple. Look at all kind of apple. So pretty. Golden. Oh, Granny Smith apple. Oh, actually, this is Granny Smith apple. That's something else. Oh, let me cut over here real quick. Oh my goodness. Do you see the pot? This is the famous kiwi. Oh, look at that. Look at those things ready for hot pot. Who wants some hot pot? Look. Ready for hot pot. Oh, that's cheap. So that's ready. Like, you don't even have to clean. This is big. I don't know why my friend said it's not big.
Oh no, it's
Lots of banana. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, you know guys. Look at this banana. It's brown, red, purple, whatever. Oh, something like this. Banana. Red banana, burrito banana, green banana, yellow plantation banana. But guys, I have no money. I have to skip you. Oh, look at Coco. Coco, the one that I cook with rice, sticky rice dessert. Smells so good. Yellow dragon, of course, way more expensive than red dragon. Oh, this is called elephant mango. I don't see. Oh, elephant mango. Why it called elephant? Maybe because it's big. That's why. I don't know. Daddy, do you see that? Sorry. Look, the boba. We love this stuff. It's like a cake. Sauces. Tofu. You're so healthy. I love you, tofu. More tofu. Lots of kimchi. So good. You don't have to make it. They already make and pack for you. Ooh, what is over here? Some chips. Do you guys like the music? I love the music. Oh, look at all this stuff. My mouth is watering looking at all this. I want to eat. I want to eat. This is on the table. Send it come late, also out. But this is whatever left out. The noodles. So this stuff is ready to for Korean barbecue or hot pot. It's ready to like get ready and grill it. So you don't have to like go Korea
They don't have it.
in
Okay.
Asia. See all this in HMart, and then you could use like, oh my goodness, holy moly! Look at all this Wagyu. Okay, but anyway, how to cook this stuff? Blah blah blah. How to cook? Oh wow, all marinade. Oh, my son and his girlfriend should come here. They love Korean food. See, you just buy this and you grill like that. You could do it right here. It's like Korean barbecue at home. You buy something like that. You work, and then you can cook all those things. But let me show you that my favorite one. I don't see it yet, but I will show you that. See, hot pot shabu shabu, shabu shabu. Oh, and then this one is two sides. One you could put hot soup, and one not hot soup, like a bowl. Oh, it's $29.99. See, all this stuff can go to shabu shabu, okay? Shabu shabu, Korean barbecue. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna skip all that, okay? I'm gonna skip because I'm too lazy. So awesome. Look at all this. Costco starts selling something like this, but they don't have as much as this. Oh, pork belly. My baby loves this stuff. And then if I gonna move over here, this is where the seafood that you also can do into your hot pot. Wow! We come late or what? Almost sold out. Ooh, look at those lobster tails. Do you see the lobster tail over here? And then I'm gonna show you guys the meatball. Meatball for the for the hot pot. Oh, I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip that because I wanna keep going. They don't have that thing that is on social media for $20. I don't see it. Oh, I like this thing. I like to look at this stuff. Huh, you make egg, huh? Oh, big and thick. Those are the price. Oh, my son was talking about the spoon. Wood spoon. People told me they like clean product to wash hair. Yes, yes, yes. Will we try mango? What else you want to try? Grape? Okay. And mandarin? Look, this one is how you call this? How you call this one? And then they have peach. This peach tastes good. You want mango or no? You already try mango?
No, I haven't tried that.
No, this is lemon. Mango right here. Oh, mango right here. Oh, it looks like it's broken. We just have to take this one. Okay, we have to get going because that thing might melt by the time we get home. I don't see my thing. I don't see my hot pot for $22. Oh. You ask the guy. Yeah, hot pot. Or the noodle. Oh my goodness. So what I come here is for the hot pot set and they're all sold out. Oh my goodness, they're sold out, but they did not sell out the propane. Oh. Hey, if you're lazy, just buy this and pop into the microwave. Only for the lazy people like me. Oh my god, they are sold out, see? Oh, they have all different kind of noodles that I never see before or tried before. Look, they have Filipino ice cream, right? Is that a good price? They said some HMart is very bigger than this one. They said this one actually small, but it looked big to me, right? Look all the healthy stuff. Ginseng. I want to go get my boba. I could use some of this. Look at that. Okay, let me go get my boba. I want to go because I'm buying ice cream and I come from all the way to Pittsburgh to Daly City. That's like an hour and a half drive and my ice cream might make it home safely. So to be safe, I better get going. And what I'm here for, they're all sold out. But anyway, whatever. I want something sweet to drink.
아빠 잠깐만요. 잠깐 이거 잡아봐.
Also, he speaks his language.
Back there to the meat section.
So
I think I see straightforward.
Oh, for children, one use chopstick.
Somewhere.
Boba, noodle. They have so many pretty things in here. So pretty. So much snack in here. So colorful. Wow. Wow. And teas. mushroom dry, more noodles, lots of noodle, packet rice, noodles, and sesame seed, bean. Okay, I want something from here. Wow, so cheap, $2.99, you guys. Oh, Starbucks energy shot. Okay. I think I want latte. Raw sugar latte. Do you shake it and drink it? I don't know. Latte means coffee. Medium lattes. I do not know. What is this? Cold. Oh, coffee. The coffee. I can't have coffee right now because I won't be able to sleep. Damn it. Okay. Strawberry something. Drink coconut milk. I just want something sweet. I'm thirsty. Let me check out. Hi, I'm gonna check out.
Yeah, I was gonna check if they got a bathroom.
Huh? They have a lot of sugar. I mean coffee, and I don't need coffee. Oh, oh, okay. Grass jelly. Okay, I might try this one. I will try that. This sold out, huh? You ask her. You ask her what it. So the lady on YouTube saying like one of this and with lots of packet for $20. Look at this. This is one for $32.99. And they don't have, sometimes don't believe in internet. I come all the way here and they don't even have what they're supposed to have. Man. A lot of Hello Kitty and a lot of those characters out here. So I will go and check out. So this is what I'm getting, a bag of coconut, this drink, the 2 ice cream, some snack, red envelope because the New Year is coming, and mango. Wait, what is this one? Mandarin. I don't know, what's that, lemon? Okay, let's see how much my total. So my credit card come out.
Need it back?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Total is 61. Something. Okay, we're leaving HMart. Thank you so much for watching. Come to HMart if you want all the good stuff. Bye bye.